Today, there are a few simple, easy to use tools that will help you write, design, schedule, and even connect with your readers without getting overwhelmed. Let's walk through 5 marketing tools that every author should know about. If you ever feel stuck about what to post online or fresh ways to present your content, AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude can be very useful. You can upload your entire manuscript or even a few chapters and ask ChatGPT to pull out content from it. For example, it can help you convert a chapter into a carousel post. If you're not happy with the first draft, you can ask ChatGPT to revise the content to fit your voice's style. And if you don't know what to ask ChatGPT, stay tuned for another video where we explain exactly what prompts to enter to get the best content out of AI. Now let's talk about visuals. Canva is an amazing free design tool that will help you create high quality videos and static posts. Even if you've never designed anything before, you can still use Canva because it has drag and drop tools and pre-designed templates that is perfect for beginners. If you want to learn how to use Canva, you can just search for tutorials on YouTube and you'll be designing high quality posts in no time. Posting content regularly can feel overwhelming. That's where Metricool comes in. Metricool lets you schedule content in advance across platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, X and Facebook. So you can plan a week's worth of content or even a month's worth of content in one sitting. It also gives you insights on which posts are getting the most engagement, what time your audience is most active, and what kind of content your competitors are posting. If you're looking for alternatives, you can also check out tools like Meta Business Suite, Latter or Buffer. Imagine every time someone commented on your post or clicked the link in your bio, they got a helpful message automatically, like a link to buy your book. This is exactly what Manychat does. It's a chatbot tool that works with platforms like Instagram, Facebook and even WhatsApp. You can set it up to reply to people automatically. This is a great way to answer FAQs or collect email addresses for your mailing list without having to respond to every single comment or every single message that you get. If you want to record a video interview with someone or start a podcast with someone, then you can use Riverside. Riverside is a recording platform that lets you record 4K quality video and crystal clear audio, even if your guest is halfway across the world. Use it to create video content that dives deeper into your book's themes or collaborate with other authors and readers. So yes, these tools don't replace your creativity, but they do improve efficiency and they help you stay consistent. What are some tools that have helped you in your marketing journey? Let us know in the comments.
Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!